Hi guys, gonna do a little fan mail unboxing. I got a little present here from Courtney at Whyde Family Farm. I'm gonna record me taking that. See what there's no addresses on this. This, I'm guessing what this is because I know what she does. Let's see if I can open it without messing it up. I'm very excited about this because I think I know what it is, and if it's what I think it is. I guess I should have had a knife for that, huh? Okay, so I'll do it like this. Oh, it is. Oh my God, I love it. Courtney, I know you did this. Isn't this the best? Oh, I'm so excited. I love it. And I'm going to get me a chicken that looks like that. You watch. Oh, my boyfriend's going to love this too. He loves chickens as much as I love chickens. Ah, that's so cute. I can't believe you did that. That is awesome, Courtney. Thank you so much. If y'all haven't subscribed to Whyde Family Farm, you should definitely go over there and check her out. She shouts me out all the time. I don't deserve it, but I'm just a wee little channel. I barely got 100 subscribers. But she's pretty awesome. And she keeps me going. She inspires me a lot, too, to do stuff that I wouldn't normally do, because I'm a shy person, and I don't like being on video, but good way to make a video, huh? Let's see what we got in here. I saw some seeds. Ooh, and that's my luffa seeds. Woo! I'm very excited about that. And my poop emoji, because I'm the itch. Overlook my fingernails, y'all. I haven't done them. I've been an injured ninja lately. Okay, I'm going to read this out loud. Dear Ginger Ninja, thank you so much for everything you've done for our channel. Not only are you one of our top fans, but you are also a friend. I hope you like this picture that I painted, and I had to pack everything separately, so there should be more for you than just one item. Thank you, Dustin and Courtney Wade at Whyde Family Farm. Sorry, I said that wrong. I love you guys. Thank you so much. I'm so excited. I'm gonna hobble out to my back porch, and I'm going to plant me some luppa seeds, and I will be hanging this up in my kitchen with my rooster stuff and my chicken stuff. Thank you so much. You're awesome, and you're really good. You did a good job. My goodness. Thank you. You're a sweetheart.